Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Gelry. Now, if you're not familiar, Gelry is a jewelry subscription that you get each and every month. It runs $21 a month, but if you prepay ahead of time, the price of the box does go down. Now, you do get to set a profile, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry inside. So let's go ahead and see what they sent for November. Now, it does come shipped just like this. There's no outer packaging, which I like. And then it looks like that when you open it up. Ooh, I got another ring. And then they have little squiggles in there. And then, ooh, look at this little bag, a little velvet bag. And the first thing I see is a ring. So let's take a peek at this first. If I can get it out. Did they tie it? Oh, it looks like they tied it once. Okay. Nice organza bag. Oh, it's like a... Okay. We're just going to make it easier. Okay. So this looks like an engagement ring, but I have to tell you, the silver is not very shiny. It's pretty. It's not as sparkly as I'd like it to be, especially the headstone. It's not very sparkly, but it's pretty. It's a nice accent ring. I would have to say this isn't one of my favorites, but it will do in a pinch. Okay, what else did we get? Now we've got to go inside here. Oh, I have another ring. Oh, it looks like I got 4 items this month. This ring's kind of cool. It has 2 bands that crisscross in the center, which means that you can either wear it like that or like that. I think that's kind of pretty right there. So let's put these together and see what that looks like. Yeah, that's kind of cute. I like it. I like this one better than I like that one. The next thing are a pair of earrings. I know why I got 4 items, because I left a review for them on Cratejoy. Cratejoy.com is a great place to find subscription boxes, and I left a review for them, and then they included an extra goodie in my box. So this is, okay, so we have little 4-leaf clovers. These are very shiny. That's the kind of shine that I expect to be on my silver. I don't want my silver products to look like they came from Kmart. I mean, no offense, Kmart, but you know. So I've got 2 of those. These are the closures. Very pretty. They're a little out of season though. I've got to wait till March really to wear those. And then the last thing is our necklace, which is a lot like one of the necklaces they sent, but I do like these kind of things. Urgh. What's the deal? Boy, I'm having a hard time getting it out of here. Okay. So that is what our necklace looks like. Let's see if I can get this tape off without too much trouble. Very thin, delicate little necklace, chain to go with it. Oh, I see how it goes on. You have to feed it through there to get it off, right? And then a lot of people just do one time, and there you go, right? And if you want it to stay at a certain level, then you feed it through again. And I have to do it the same direction. Wait. Just like that. And it'll stay if you do it twice. So I do like the pieces. I do have to say I am not too crazy about this ring. It's just not shiny. We'll see. But there we go. We have 2 rings, a pair of 4-leaf clovers, and a necklace. And that is what I have for you for today. Now, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.